marketing tip number 5,083,083. Over the last 14 years here at Basic Bananas, we have been sharing a lot of marketing information and tips to help small businesses grow their brands and get more customers. Today, just a short, sharp little tip for you. If you want to be known for something with your brand, get clear on 2 personality traits of your brand, like you're fun and you kind of make the complex simple, or you're innovative, or whatever it is. And then through every single touch point you have with your business, with any humans, try to amplify those personality traits. What will happen if you're consistent? One person will say something about your brand, your other person will, other customer will start saying similar things, you and your team will be saying similar things, and you'll develop a presence. Every touch point, even your phone answering machine message, what does it say? It's a lovely day here, or put a bit of fun if fun is it, or if it's innovative, whatever it is, amplify on your invoice, every touch point, before you work with customers, while you work with customers, and after you work with customers. Be creative and look for ways to amplify those personality traits, and you will develop a presence. You'll become known for something. To learn more marketing tips and tricks and entire strategies, or if you want assistance, check out basicbananas.com.